Olá a todos! Bem-vindos! My name is Tatiana and I'm here to help you improve your Portuguese. I've been teaching Portuguese for a while, so I've decided to create a series of videos that are going to help you start learning Portuguese or improve your knowledge. My goal is to teach you how a true Portuguese speaks. This is why my first video is going to be on 3 tips on how to sound like a native. My first tip will be to use the expression é que when you ask questions. So this is an expression that we only use when we write to our friends like text messages or when we speak, and we use them in questions. As a matter of fact, it doesn't mean anything when translated into English or other languages. It just emphasizes the idea that we are asking a question. An example, if I want to know like, how are you? I would say, como é que estás? So here this como means how, estás, are you, and this é que in between just emphasizes the fact that I'm asking a question. So I place it before the verb but after the question word. Other example, where are you? Onde é que estás? Again, where, then the expression é que, and then are you. It's easy, we use it with question words like where, onde, when, quando, what, o que, how, como, why, porquê. Which leads me to my second tip of today, that start your answers with the verb. So when we are answering a question like como é que estás, you can just say estou bem. Here I said am fine. You don't need to say I am fine, because in Portuguese we conjugated the verbs in a different way. So let's take the example of the verb estar, for example. I say eu estou, tu estás, ele está, nós estamos, eles estão. So as you can see, the verb estar changes if I'm talking about me, you, he, we, them. So if I say estou bem, people immediately know that you're speaking about yourself and not about anyone else. So there's no need to add I in this answer. Another example, why are you sad? Por que é que estás triste? And you answer, estou triste porque I'm sad because, and then you explain why you're sad. So you don't need to say I am sad, you just say am sad. So the final tip of today is to stop using ink. So in English, when you want to say that you're doing something right now, you say, for example, I am studying. And you use this ink structure that you'll find a lot on the internet when you Google like learn Portuguese. Because this is the kind of structure that people from Brazil, that speak Portuguese from Brazil, use. They use this ink structure in their sentences and they say things like eu estou estudando, I am studying. So see, this ink turns into a NDO if you're speaking Portuguese from Brazil. But if you're speaking European Portuguese, we don't use this structure. We say just eu estou a estudar. So here, see, I am, eu estou, and then you add the na, and then you add the verb to study in the infinitive form. Eu estou a estudar. So it's a kind of a different structure. The only thing that changes is the verb to be. You change it according to the person, past, present, according to the time. And then you add an a and the verb in the infinitive. Another example to make it clearer, like I am sleeping. Eu estou a dormir. Again, I am, eu estou, then you add an a, and then you add the verb to sleep, dormir, in the infinitive. That's it for today. I hope you'll find it helpful and we'll see you next time. Beijinhos e até à próxima. Tchau!